Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, how are you today? Fine. Anybody absent today? Nobody. Oh, everybody is present. Very good. So you are good student. Yeah. The girls, good girls, and the boys, good boys. Yeah. Good boys meaning anak yang baik. Yeah. Tapi ada arti lainnya loh. Good boys artinya banyak uang. Yeah. Tidak punya uang, goodbye. Itu kan kamu yang menerjemahkan. Okay. Today the material I'm teaching is narrative. Yeah. I think everybody is familiar with narratives. Like what? For example, Cinderella. What else? Malem Gundang. What else? Snow White. As you know, every narrative has some structure, schematic structure. Usually you find what? Orientation. Yes? Yeah. The setting, where, when, why, and so on. And what else? Problems. Yeah, there is a problem there that the persons or the actor have to solve. Yeah, that is the problem. And then the end of the narrative, usually there is resolution. Yeah, how the actor solves the problem. Okay, today I would like you to teach you bawang putih, bawang merah, and here the text that you have to understand. I took it from my blog, from internet, so you can also click it from my blog through my Twitter or my Facebook. Come on. Excuse me. Yes. And I would like you to retell the story in a group, yeah, to be easier. But to be easier, I would like to distribute pictures, yeah, to help you easily understand. This is a picture that you can divide to your group, yeah. I divide the groups. This is the first group, the second, the third, the fourth, yeah, can be 5, yeah, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9. It's okay. What is important here that work together, yeah, and work honestly. For example, I just ask you to retell orally without looking at the text. Just retell without looking at the text. Yeah, this is a picture that you can distribute to your friends as a group. Okay. In the pictures, it's written, for example, G1. It means the group has G1 group 1. Yeah, the same. Ada namanya di situ. Okay, come on for a few minutes, maximum 20 minutes. Divide to your friends. Silakan dibagi dengan temannya. Anda akan mendapat gambar yang mana? But now, to help everybody, I would like to invite one volunteer to retell. Ya, silakan satu volunteer untuk menceritakan kembali. Kalau ada yang sudah bisa, silakan. yang sudah bisa mengurutkan? Ini gambarnya. Ini silakan. Ya. Bila tidak ada, ya silakan bekerja dengan kelompok. Okay, to help you, I would like to retell first. Silakan dengarkan semuanya, everybody. I would like to help you. This is the first picture of the dead work together. Ya, semuanya lihat. Ya, once upon a time, ya, there lived a widow in a Dadapan village called Mak Dadapan. Ya, she had 2 daughters, bawang putih, ya, and bawang merah. Look at this picture. As you know that this picture, bawang putih had to do everything in the household because Mak Dadapan treated them differently. Yeah, she didn't treat them in the same way. Yeah, to bawang merah, her own daughter, Mak Dadapan was very severe, very bad. Yeah, to bawang merah, she was very good. Yeah, very tolerant. She could do everything and she could get everything she wanted. But to bawang putih had to do everything in the household. And then look at page 2 or picture 2. Yeah, this is picture 2. The picture that showing you bawang putih washing some clothes. Look at, yeah. Bawang putih had to wash clothes one day in the river, yeah. But because she was very tired, yeah, a piece of cloth was dragged in the riverside. And what happened to her? Of course, her mother was very angry. You know angry? Angry meaning, yeah, not mangkel. Mangkel is Japanese, yeah? Yeah. And then her mother had to hit her with a stick. And Mak Dadapan asked her to return to the river to look for the dragged clothes. Yeah, please look for the picture. Yeah, and bawang putih returned to the river and looking for the clothes, and she met a man, yeah, washing a horse. Yeah, please look for the picture, and she asked, of course, the man, have you seen a picture? Have you seen the clothes dragged in the river? And then he answered, no. He didn't know. Go further to the man fishing there. And then bawang putih walked again and found a man fishing. And she asked, have you seen a piece of cloth? And he answered, I didn't know. Yeah. Please check the pictures. Yeah. And finally, after having walked some time, bawang putih found an old woman washing rice. And she asked the woman, excuse me, ma'am, have you seen a piece of cloth here in the river? And what did she say? Oh yes, my dear, I found it. Please come with me. I'll give it to you. Yeah. And what happens when bawang putih arrived in her house? Bawang putih was very frightened. Yeah. Why? Because actually, or in fact, the old woman was a demon. Yeah, she was frightened because any utensils used by her was very different. Yeah, with from she used at home. For example, the ladle. You know the ladle? The ladle spoon. Yeah. The ladle was made from human hands. And what about the mug? The mug, you know? The bowl, yeah? The bowl, the mug, it was made from human skull. Ya, skull. Seperti bat bacanya, but bacanya bat. Ya. Nut bacanya nut. Ya. What about the wood? Also the wood for cooking was made from human bone. Then, because Bang Putih was a very good girl, like you here, yeah, she helped Nini Buto Ijo, the diamond, yeah, it's called Nini Buto Ijo, cleaning the house, cooking, and so on. After cooking and cleaning the house, Nini Buto Ijo said, "Excuse me, ma'am, everything is ready. Yeah, may I have my piece of clothes and get home or go home?" "Oh, no, not now," said Nini Buto Ijo. "It's already dark." You know dark? Dark means gelap. But there is also another word, the dark. It's Japanese, meaning makanan ayam. What about the bog? Meaning batang pisang. But that is Japanese, yeah. It's already dark, yeah. Do not go home now. You will meet my brother in your way home, and he will eat you up. So please go home tomorrow. Yeah. Then Bang Putih stayed there. In the next morning, Bang Putih said that he was going home, and Nini Buto Ijo gave her a melon and the piece of cloth. And then of course she quickly went home, meeting her mother, and her mother quickly opened the melon. Whoa, what is filled in the melon? In the melon there was some precious things like gold, silver, precious stones. Yeah. What happened to Bawang Putih? To Bawang Merah? Bawang Merah was very jealous, and she wanted to get the same thing as Bawang Putih. She looked for Nini Buto Ijo's house, and finally she found. But in Nini Buto Ijo's house, because she was a bad girl, she refused to help Nini Buto Ijo to help the household things or cleaning, something like cleaning and cooking. But Nini Buto Ijo also gave her a melon. Then she went home. When she arrived home, what was filled in the melon brought by Bawang Merah? Yeah, it was filled with many bad things, something like crawling and creepy animals, yeah, like snakes, scorpion, even insects. Yeah, that is the story. Yeah, I have helped you. Please work together just to retell. Because of the short time, I think it was understood. Come on, volunteer first to help your friend. Come on. Anybody? Come on. Mas Ardi, volunteer. Just retell as you can. Just some words. No problem.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I'm going to retell about Bawang Merah and Bawang Putih. One day in the village of Dadapan, there lived a widow whose name was Mak Dadapan, who had two children, the one being bawang merah and the other one being bawang putih. Mak Dadapan treated bawang merah and bawang putih in a different way. Like bawang merah was spoiled and bawang putih had to do all the housework. And one day, as bawang putih was washing clothes, a piece of cloth dragged by the stream and disappeared. Bawang putih was very surprised to see that, and her stepmother, hit her with a stick and told her to get it back. As bawang putih tracked for the missing cloth, she asked for a man who was washing his horse on the river. "Excuse me, sir, did you see a piece of cloth dragged away by the stream?" The man said, "No, I didn't. Go further down the stream." Then she met a man who was fishing on the riverside, and she asked him, "Excuse me, sir, did you see a piece of cloth dragged away by the stream?" "No, I didn't. Please go back. Please go further down the stream." And bawang putih met an old lady who was washing rice, and she asked her, "Excuse me, ma'am, did you see a piece of cloth was dragged away by the stream?" "Yes, dear, I have it. Come to my house, please." When bawang putih came to her house, she was surprised. She was a demon called Nini Buto Ijo. Any utensils used in the house was made by human bodies. Like example, this mug was made by human skull, and this probably a spoon was made by hands. And also with this pot, and bawang putih did the household things, and finally when she has finished it, she asked Nini Buto Ijo, "I have finished all the works. Can I go home now with my clothes?" "Not yet, dear," said Nini Buto Ijo. "You will meet my brother on your way, and he will eat you up. Thus, stay here tonight and you'll be safe," said Nini Buto Ijo. On the next morning, bawang putih came home with a melon and the cloth bag. And when bawang merah and Mak Dadapan opened the melon, they were surprised. It was filled with so many jewelries and golds and precious stones. Bawang merah wanted the same melon with which bawang putih had, so she went to Nini Buto Ijo's house and she asked the same melon, but Nini Buto Ijo offered her a job, but she refuses, and she just kept asking the melon. So Nini Buto Ijo gave her the melon, and when she returned home and she opened it, She was surprised because it was filled with so many creepy animals and scary animals. And Mak Dadapan and Bawang Merah ran away from home. Yes.
Okay, excuse me. This is Ardiansa. What are you going to be? Cita-citanya jadi apa? To be president like Obama. Ya, yeah. Wajahnya udah mirip. Oke, thank you very much. Wajahnya udah mirip Obama ya. Ya. Mbahnya masih sepupu dengan Obama? No. Okay, thank you. Okay, now work together, please. In 10 minutes, work together. And then, which groups is ready? Yeah, come forward, please. Yang udah siap. Divide, please. Bagi, ya. One member may have more than one picture. It depends, yeah. For example, yeah, when you feel that, yeah, the picture needs longer explanations, so maybe you only one picture, no problem. Come on, please. Work together. Why? Who is he? Come on, work together. Do not forget your number that I have given to you. Jangan lupa nomor yang sudah Pak Zain berikan. Yeah. Come on, the first group ready to perform. Come on. This group, come here. Only show the pictures, saying something. Even you may mix if you do not understand the English. For example, Mak Dadapan sangat kejam terhadap bawang putih. You may say Mak Dadapan was very kejam, for example, like that. It's okay, no problem. Yeah. Come on, the first group. Yeah, maju. No problem. This is a short time, very short time. Come on. Yeah, come here. Yeah, the 5 members. Come on, it's easier because 5 members. Come on, come on. Dena. Come on, Dena. No problem. Just say something in English. Come on, come on. Dena, come here. Okay. Come on. Just say something. Yeah. The bell rings. The first session. Come on. Come on, Dena. Come on. Makin cepat kan makin ringan. Soalnya udah maju duluan. Ayo. Ya. Melatih Anda kerjasama, melatih kejujuran, karena Anda membuat kalimat dengan bahasa sendiri, tidak melihat teks. Ayo. No problem. English must be practiced every day. Harus dilatih tiap hari. Yeah. As I said to you, you may mix with Indonesian, for example. Yeah. The melon was filled with emas because you forget the word golden. Yeah. With ular. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, okay. Then our group, please. Come on. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Applause to the next group, please. Yes, very good. Yeah, pergantian pegang mic. Yeah, the first picture, the first picture. Who is the first picture? The first picture. Come on, silakan. The first picture. Say.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we want to present our story, to tell our story. The title is Bawang Putih and Bawang Merah. Have enjoy.
Once upon a time, there lived in a village called named Dadapan, a widow whose name Mak Dadapan. She had two daughters, bawang putih, bawang putih, bawang putih, her daughter, her stepdaughter, and bawang merah, the aunt of daughter. Mak Dadapan did not treat both girls in the same way. Bawang merah, her own daughter. Bawang merah, her own daughter. The stepmother to bawang merah, her own daughter. The stepmother was very tolerant. And bawang merah could do and get everything to bawang putih. Stepmother was very severe. That girl had to do everything in the household.
One day, bawang putih. Oh iya, lupa. One day, bawang putih must wash clothes in river. She is a very tired and she didn't that clothes dragged by river. Her stepmother very angry and hit bawang putih with a piece of stick. Masih sini. Then masih ini. Then she asks. Then Mak Dadapan asks that bawang putih to look for a cloth in river. Bawang putih back in river and follow the river. She meet a boy was washing a horse in river. Then she asked the boy, "Excuse me, sir, did you see a cloth?" Belum, aku masihan. Itu aku kan. Did you see a cloth dragged by stream? No, I didn't. Just ask a boy was fishing in there. Then bawang putih follow the river and meet a boy fishing.
Excuse me, sir. Piece of clothing. I didn't go further down the stream. And at last,
king in the river. Bawang putih meet old bawang putih meet old woman. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Did you have you see bits of clothing? Yes, my dear. I have to you. On arriving at Nini Buto this is a woman called Nini Buto Ijo. On arriving at Nini Buto Ijo, bawang putih frightened because the was in demon house. Any utensil was referred from which she used at home. The ladle was made of human heart, the marks of human skull. For what for cooking was human bones. After cooking and cleaning the homes, Mom, everything is ready. I get my piece of clothing and go home. Well. Bukan. Well. Oh. This is very dark. Terus buto ijo, Nina buto ijo, Nini buto ijo, get where go to home. Terus bawang putih walking quickly go home. Terus udah. Wow, it's silver good. Always.
Bawang merah one get a semelan with a bawang putih. She look for Nini Buto Ijo's house. After she found and met Nini Buto Ijo's, she refused to help her to clean her house. After a while, she asked for permission to Nini Buto Ijo's. Nini Buto Ijo gave her melon too. After that, Bawang Merah back home in a hurry and opened the melon. Instead, a gold, silver, or precious stones, but the melon was filled creepy animals like snakes, like this picture, like snakes, scorpion, and other creepy animals. Bawang Merah and Mak Dadapan was so greedy, run away of fear.
What lesson can you learn from that story? What moral value? Nilai apa? For example, what value?
So the moral value for this story is don't be a bad people. Yeah, because you can get the bad things too. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next group, please. Okay, the next group, come here. Cynthia. Sini dulu. Come on quickly. Yeah. Do not think too seriously about grammar. Just say freely, using your own words, because in the daily communication, like people in Singapore, Malaysia, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, they speak English like you speak Indonesian. Yeah, they do not think more seriously about grammar mistakes.
Langsung Pak. Bukaan dulu nggak?
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We standing here to retell bawang merah bawang putih story, and please pay attention for us. Thank you.
Once there lived in a village called Dadapan. A widow was named Mak Dadapan. She had two doctors, Bawang Putih, who was her step doctor, and Bawang Merah, a doctor of her own. Mak Dadapan did not treat both girls in the same way. To Bawang Merah, her own doctor, Mak Dadapan is very tolerant. Bawang Merah could do and get everything she want. To Bawang Putih, Mak Dadapan was very severe. This girl had to do everything in the household. One day, Bawang Putih had to wash clothes at the river. She was very tired and did not notice a piece of clothing was dragged by the stream. Mak Dadapan was very angry and hit Bawang Putih with a stick. Mak Dadapan asked look for the piece of clothing. On the river bank.
After followed the stream for a while and a few minutes, Bawang Putih was met a man who was washing her horse. "Excuse me, sir, have you seen a piece of clothing?" "No, I didn't." "Just ask the man who was fishing there." And then Bawang Putih walked away and met the man who was fishing on the riverside. "Excuse me, sir, have you seen a piece of cloth was dragged by the stream?" "No, I didn't. Sorry, just following the stream." After walk for a few minutes and a long way, Bawang Putih was met the old woman who was washing the rice on the river bank. Excuse me, Mom. Have you seen a piece of cloth was dragged by the stream? Yes, dear. I will give it to you. Arriving at the Nini Buto. Oh no. Who is the old woman? Sorry. Who is the old woman really? She was a demon. Her name is Nini Buto Ijo. After arrived on the Nini Buto Ijo house, Bawang Putih was frightened because frightened. Why? Because because the utensil on the Nini Buto Ijo house was made from and something that's different with on her house, just like the spoons made from the human hands and the mug made from skull. And do you know that a wood from the cooking just made from human bones?
After cooking and cleaning in this house, Mom, everything is ready. I get my piece of clothing and go home. Well, this is already the drop. You will meet my brother. On your way, and he'll eat up. Yeah. Just stay here. Next in the morning, Nini Buto Ijo say in melon. Terus Bawang Putih is walk go home as quick as she got terus on offering a go arriving a go
bawang
Yes, please. Help.
she open
Come on, say. She opened the mail.
she open melon is gold, silver, and precious stone. Bawang merah wanted to get the same melon as bawang putih. She look for Nina Buto Ijo ini Buto Ijo house. Terus after will procession open a person go back home. Nina Buto Ijo memberi itu apa? Will after forgive melon too. After will membuka melon is snake, scorpion, and insect. So, stepmother and bawang merah ran away agreed.
Do not forget ya, pelajaran bahasa Inggris hari ini sampai menjelang maghrib ya.
Oke, sir.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up, guys? Before we tell the story, we want to introduce ourselves.
My name is Adil.
My name is Ateng.
My name is Firman. My name is Alip, and together we will tell you about the story of bawang merah and bawang putih.
There lived in the village called Dadapan a widow called Mak Dadapan. She had two daughters. Bawang putih is her stepdaughter. Bawang merah is her daughter aunt. Mak Dadapan not treat her two daughters with same way. Bawang putih Mak Dadapan treat Mak Dadapan treat bawang putih with so very hard. But with bawang merah she very tolerant. One day bawang putih had to washing clothing in the river. She very tired and not know a piece of clothing dragged by the stream. Her stepmother very angry and hit Bawang Putih with a stick. Mak Tatapan asked Bawang Putih to search to find the cloth in the river bank.
And the next, Bawang Putih Bawang Putih returned the river and followed the stream, and she met the man who was betting his horse, and he said, "Excuse me, sir, have you seen my piece of cloth in here?" "No, I haven't." "Please ask the man who was fishing." And Bawang Putih walked away and asked to the man who was fishing, "Excuse me, sir, did you have a piece did you send a piece of cloth in here?" "No, I didn't." Terus, please follow the stream again. And the last, Bawang Putih met an old woman in the riverside. Iya. Kenapa ganti itu? And the last. And the last, Bawang Putih meet the old woman when she washing rice in the riverside, and he asked to old woman, "Excuse me, ma'am, have you seen a piece of clothes in here?" "Yes, my dear, I seen. Come with me." Terus, come with me terus. Yo, come with me terus. I will give to you. I will give to you. Okay, thank you. Please, Firman.
Ya, Man.
Who is in fact the old woman? She is a demon. Code was Nini Butoijo. On arriving in Butoijo's home, she is so scared because of the little was of human hands. The mark made a human skull. And for cooking made a human bones.
Human bones. This is it.
Yeah.
You know? Yes, I know. I know that you mean, man.
After she is cleaned and cooked
I'm sorry, man.
in Butoijo's homes, and after that she said to Mom, may I get my clothes and go home? No, not now. Because of when you are home and my brother will meet you and eat you up. Please stay here until tomorrow.
Kaiser doctor.
And then in the morning. Oh, in the next morning. In the next morning, Nini Buto Ijo gave her the piece of cloth and the melon. After that, this Bawang Putih go home as quickly as he can. And then after he arrived in the home, the stepmother took the piece of cloth and the melon. After he opened it, the melon is filled by gold, silver, and then many of precious stone. The Bawang Merah is jealous. He want to get the melon as the Bawang Putih get, and then she look for the Nini Buto Ijo's house, and then she found it. She asked Nini Buto Ijo's Nini Buto Ijo, can I have the melon as the Bawang Putih get? Yes, but you please help me to clean the house, to cooking. But because the Bawang Merah is the bad girl, she refused it. She did want to help the Nini Buto Ijo's to clean the house. But Nini Buto Ijo's is also gave her the melon. Yeah, gave her the melon. And then the Bawang Merah get home as quick as he can too. And then after he arrived in the home, after she arrived in the home, she opened with a stepmother. Oh no, the stepmother, and then he opened the melon. Yeah, they're surprised. Instead the gold or the silver, but there's the creepy animals. Creepy animal, insect, crawling animal, scary. They're scary, and then and then they run away, and then Bawang Putih. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right now we are going to tell you a story about Bawang Merah and Bawang Putih. And here we go.
One day lived in a village called Dadapan. Whose name was Mak Dadapan. She had two doctor. Bawang Putih were house step doctor, and Bawang Merah a doctor of her own. Mak Dadapan very tolerant. Bawang Merah could do and get everything he wanted. Her stepmother was very severe. One day, Bawang Putih had to was in the river. Right, river. She was very tired and did notice a piece of cloth was dragged by the stream. the mother very angry, Bawang Putih with a stick look off the piece of clothing at the river bank.
And then Bawang Putih returned to the river and followed the stream, and she met a man who was betting his horse, and she asked, "Excuse me, mister, have you seen a piece of clothing?" And he answered, "No, I didn't see it." And she walked again until she met a man who fishing. And she asked again, "Excuse me, mister, have you seen a piece of clothing?" "No, I haven't seen it." "Okay, thank you, mister." And she walked again, and again, and she met a old woman who washing rice on the riverside, and she asked again, "I'm sorry, miss, have you seen a piece of clothing?" "Oh yeah, I see it. Come on with me, and I give it." "Okay, mom, I'm come on with you. Come on."
Was a really old woman. Alhamdulillah. She was a diamond called Nini Buto Ijo on apa? Lali aku. On the house, Bawang Putih was frightened because she saw the ladle. Ayo kita, bener. The ladle from human hands, the mark from human tengkorak apa? Skull and wood for cooking from human bones. After cleaning home and cooking, Bawang Putih sat with Nini Buto Ijo. "Everything is ready. May I get my piece of clothing and go to home?"
After Bawang Putih headed home, Mak Dadapan took the piece of cloth and the melon, and suddenly when she opened it, wow, what's inside it was gold, diamonds and jewelries. Bawang Merah wanted the same melon as Bawang Putih had, so she went to Nini Buto Ijo's house and she asked the same melon. But first, Nini Buto Ijo told him to do the houseworks, and she refused. And when Bawang Merah asked permission to go home, Nini Buto Ijo gave her a melon. And when she opened it at home, she was surprised because it was filled with scary and creepy animals. Mak Dadapan and Bawang Merah ran away in scare.
What moral value can you give?
Don't be greedy.
Don't be greedy. Okay, very good. Applause, please. I think that's all, and those that is the last performer. We can continue the next time. Do not forget, yes, say English freely without thinking too seriously about grammar. Just say, because narrative is in the past, yeah. But when you forget the words in the past or the verb, just say, yeah. Bawang putih go home, for example, not went home. It's okay, no problem, yeah. Also the Indonesian words when you forget. And also do not forget now, applause to Ibu Murtiningsih, the supervisor. Yes, ya. Ya, mudah-mudahan nanti ada banyak saran buat kita semua, khususnya buat saya yang mengajar. Mudah-mudahan lebih bagus lagi. And do not forget to look for some more stories, especially narratives. Yeah, you may click from my blog or from my Twitter. Yeah. The narratives there, you can find many, at least 5, minimal 5 ya, to translate. Yang nanti saya lihat masih remedial, boleh menggunakan teks Indonesianya dari terjemahanmu untuk diinggriskan kembali. Tapi yang pengayaan, yang mungkin nanti mencari teks lain ya, karena mungkin Anda sudah lancar. Tapi kalau masih belum ya, tidak menggunakan teks tapi menceritakan kembali secara individu. Thank you very much. Yeah. Forgive me if I have some mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saran dari Ibu.
Okay, thank you very much. All students can show very good, very well, and you can show your performance. Okay, please study again and again. I think that this class is so 10A, 10A is so very good, creative, and yeah, I like so much to yes, practice to your practice all. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay.
By the way, how do you learn English? You speak English well too? From your grandfather or grandmother?
Okay. No. Last year I was German teacher, and I like to study English at home with my husband, my daughter, and my son. Yes. English is interest for me. Yes, so very interesting. Yeah. Yes. Yes, I teach German language and Indonesian language, and now I work at Dinas Pendidikan Kota Yogyakarta. Yes, I hope that all students here can have progress. Okay, thank you very much, and I'm sorry if I have so many mistakes. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.